Vindicated at last, the victims' families say their loved ones can now rest in peace. It took 3 years, a previous acquittal and multiple legal wrangling before the owner of the sunken ferry was finally handed a conviction.
I lost my only daughter, her husband and their 5 kids on that ferry. Their lives would have gone to waste. But thank God today we had, if even a minor victory. 7 years aren't enough. He deserves more, but at least it's an indictment.
At times, the victims' families said they felt that justice will never be done. That's because Mamdouh Ismail, the ferry owner, is an influential member of the ruling party and a former MP whose connections earned him the nickname King of the Red Sea. But on Wednesday, the appeals judge overturned the acquittal and upheld manslaughter charges, citing negligence, recklessness and inaction. Senior Judge Khalid Badruddin said Ismail, the head of his fleet and the company's branch manager, deliberately refrained from asking for search and rescue, which meant passengers were left fighting for their lives for 10 hours before rescue teams made it to the sea. Instead, they spent their time finding a way out for themselves in what the judge dubbed a clear sign of a dead conscience. We were here last July when this court acquitted all the defendants apart from one. But it's completely a different scene today. The victims' families feel vindicated. They are jubilant. But the big question remains, what about those missing? Dozens of people who are believed to have been rescued never returned home. Families claim they were mostly staff members on the ferry who knew exactly what went wrong on that doomed February 2006 day.
Our son is detained somewhere. We'll not relent until all the missing, our son and the remaining crew members are back. Ismail tried to bribe us to be silent, but now we're waiting for him to beg for our mercy.
The family's lawyers said they will file new criminal charges against Ismail, who was sentenced in absentia. He's believed to be on the run in London, but lawyers say the Interpol should be after him.
We are already demanding for this because this decision given by the criminal court, it is a great decision which we respect, but it shall be only papers with no value if no one moves to execute this decision.
For Tariq Sharafuddin, who lost his wife and 4 children, Ismail's indictment won't bring the dead back. But he feels that finally, ordinary citizens like him can bring down someone they consider a symbol of corruption. Al-Khaky, Al Jazeera, Hurghada, Egypt.